Hello, welcome to the pet room. David Bradley here. All right, so I had 5 what I thought were pretty perfect 40/40s until this one started to act up. So I have isolated it from everything, and that does not mean that now it's reading just fine. Anyway, that does not mean I've just turned everything off and left. I've got this pet connected through the one cable to this drive. And it is cataloging things, but what it wasn't doing before was writing things. Let's have a look. Here we got this. We got this. They both seem fine. Let's just try. Back up D0 to D1. And of course, before, when I did this, it would fail. And I don't see any reason to think that it isn't going to fail again now. Right, Penny? It failed. Read error. Okay. Let's try back up D1 to D0. See how long this takes to fail. I think I hear the head moving. I think I do. What do you think, Penny? You think you hear the head moving? I do indeed hear. Drive 0 is being formatted. Now, let's see if it craps out. Now, there's also a possibility, because I was having lots of trouble with backups before, that there could be disk trouble. So I may end up swapping disks out. Because things happen. But I am suspecting that there is, well, something seems to be wrong here. And I don't think there's anything that the cable, having 5 of them connected could do to cause one to say, no, I won't do that, because I had it hooked up from here to here to here to here to here. It was not like it was the last in line. It is not. Oh, it's all very mysterious and somewhat frustrating. It's just when you think, yeah, we're good. We're not good, right, Penny? Penny, do you want to come up? Yeah? Penny, want to lie on the disk drive? Where'd you go, Penny? I can't pick you up if I can't find you. I can't pick you up if I can't find you. Okay, come on up on that one. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. Up, 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 up. I can pick you up from there. Yes, I can. Okay. Where? There's Happy Penny. Let's see if we can make this a little better. Oh, I think I've got this. Well, that's about as good as it gets, I think. Okay. Hi, Penny. You gonna lie down? Why don't you lie down? I will pet you. Lie down. Penny, come lie down. There's Penny. There's Penny. Sorry, this disk drive isn't on, so it isn't nice and warm. But it's here. It's here, Penny. So I'm listening. It does seem to be doing okay. Hi, Penny. I'm hearing some other funny little noise. Penny, are you making other funny noises? Oh, right at the end. Hello, Penny. Well, you think we're almost done, Penny? Still working away. It does seem to be taking longer. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these two discs out of here, and I'll try doing similar tests again. It does seem to be taking longer than normal. I wonder if it's locked up in La La Land. But I still hear things happening. Aha! It did work. It did. And what do we have? We have that. We have that. Okay, alright. I'm going to take these discs out. I'm going to bring these discs up here. I know. Well, maybe not this one. I'll do one of these. I'll do the catalog. Make sure they both read. Well, that's weird. Alright, D1 is not reading nicely. It's doing the thing like the disk isn't done. Well, as drive 0 does seem to be fine. It's a mighty fine time. Just try a backup. Let's see what happens. What do you think, Penny? I can definitely hear the head moving there. Oh, Penny, look. There's a wasp outside the window. Don't worry, it can't get us. And so it clunks. It's all very strange. But also we must remember we are dealing with disks that are also old. I don't think they were ever designed to last this, or they never thought they'd last this long. But it does seem to be doing things. But this drug, it does sound a little louder on the head. Maybe I need to grab some white lithium grease along with a Q-tip and grease up the rails. Perhaps. And perhaps those ones that were spinning, maybe that's what it needs as well. I don't know, but I really, you know what, I really got to get on to the other drives. I really do. I really do. Oh no. It's a cat hair. Right, Penny? Penny, Penny, Penny. Maybe I will write a new torture program and just leave this sitting here. And it worked. Well, let's see if it worked. And it did. Well, maybe we will deload. Copy 10 times. And look and see. Now there's another thing what are you doing? I was thinking I could do. Maybe. Well, I'm just going to change the ID on the output disk. We'll call it PY. Oh, where are you going? PY for Penny. Penny, think about what you're doing. Penny, think about what you're doing. No, no, don't come up here. Oh, no, no, Penny. Oh, Penny. Penny, all you're going to end up doing. Oh, no, the microphone, don't knock the microphone, don't knock the microphone, Penny. Penny, all you're going to end up doing is end up right back where you were. Right back where you were. There you go. All the way around. There you go. Up, 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 up. I can help you. I can help you. Oh, there you go. All the way around. Right back where you started. Did you enjoy that circuit? Alright. Cat hair. I'm going to set this up to do this, and then I'm going to talk to Penny. Okay, come on, lie down here. Lie down here. I can't get your head. I can't get your head. There we go. There we go, Penny. You gonna lie down? You gonna stay? You gonna stretch out? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's Penny. Good. Penny, you're gonna get feisty. Are you gonna get feisty? Are you gonna get feisty? You're gonna be a feisty cat. Wait, so it's been formatting. It's going. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, we're certainly not going to sit here for 10 copies. Are we, Penny? Do you want me to help you down? Do you want me to help you down? Have you had enough here? Perhaps not. Anyway. I am torn. I would like to look at the MSD too. But also, I gotta get to these 40/40s and get on with it. Because I gotta get the picture done. And I can't do that while I'm working on them. But I'm curious about the MSD too. Perhaps what I will do is let this torture and see the 4040 over here in the corner is on chair. See, there's another door over there. There's a Christmas tree there. There's some other stuff there. There's some boxes on top of the 4040. So I have some moving to do of things to be able to get it. And the one over here, it is underneath an original pet. And in front of that original pet is some other stuff, including some other pets on the floor. Some of this comes down to logistics. And, well, can I get it? Can I get at it? Can I move it? Can I stretch that far and put, I mean, the ultimate thing is I don't want to hurt anything. Right, Penny? 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 Num num. Hello, Penny. Hello, Penny. Penny. Hello, Penny. Anyway, I think what I might do, as well this is torturing, etc., is get the drive that's behind me there. Not on the table, but on the chair. Which does mean moving some things. And then I can at least bring it over. I can plunk it down on here after we get Penny to move. And I can... Oh, Penny. I didn't mean yet. I didn't mean now. Oh, okay. Bye, Penny. I can plunk it down here, plug it in, hook it up, and just see what's what, and then go from there. It is harder to work on things with so many drives here. It is. But they don't all have to stay here. They don't. Certainly, some of them could use a bit of a face wash, like this filthy guy. All right. Well, I think that is enough. I will go talk to Penny, and I will see about getting that 4040. And I suppose while I'm there, well, there's an 8050 underneath it. Maybe I will get that out too, because after the family portrait, there are many 8050s to go through. I think in the grand scheme of things, I think Commodore sold more 8050s than 4040s, or maybe I just ended up rescuing more than. I don't know, because, oh, there we go. Things are happening. This is very strange, how this drive was doing things. Now I wonder, is it after the torture? Does it hurt the discs? Both of these discs, there's no signs of any badness. Like nothing's been grinding on them or anything. Both sides, nice and smooth. Oh, now we've got things happening. That was not right. That went way too fast in the format. Well, we'll see as it heats up. So, enough for now. I will see about mounting a rescue operation. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.